Okay.
Krista, stop!
Whoa!
Never go above the canopy. Never go above the canopy.
Krista! Krista!
Are you crazy going above the canopy?
Yeah, we was almost falcon fodder.
I've got to tell Maggie.
Tell Maggie what? Hey, wait! What'd you see? Up there.
Oh, who goes there?
Hi, Krista.
Okay, what's the password?
Oh, come on, you guys.
Is that the password? Sounds good.
Bye.
Bye. That's it. It's a password.
I don't know if that's a password or not. I'm so confused, you.
Maggie? What?
There are worlds within worlds, Krista. Everything in our world is connected by the delicate strands of the web of life, which is balanced between forces of destruction and the magic forces of creation. Help it grow.
Why can't I do it?
Everyone can call on the magic powers of the web of life. You have to find it in yourself.
I want to, Maggie. You know I do. But I was thinking about that smoke. Do you think it could be Hexxus?
No, there isn't a force in nature that could release him, and there are no poisons here on which he can feed. Hexxus is trapped for all time. Now, that's enough for today.
But what could have caused the smoke?
Now, off with you.
But Maggie...